Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Monica. For today's video, I have a Fenty Savage haul. The reason why I have a haul is because one time I ordered something from them and I didn't realize that they charged you like a monthly VIP fee of $50, but thankfully those $50 stay in your account and then you shop. I didn't realize this was happening until like 4 months in. They couldn't give me my money. I said, whatever, that's fine, I'll just shop. The money had been in that account for like, I want to say a year. And then the other day I remembered and I was just like, oh, let me shop. So I had $200 in there. I think I only ended up having to pay like $11 for the shipping and all of that. So here is my package. It's been sitting in front of my house for like a month. I just like hadn't opened it, so let me rip it open real quick. All right, so I opened everything up. I'm gonna start off with the intimates, and first of all, let me just start off by saying that the material feels so nice and so soft, literally like really good quality. So I'm gonna start off by just showing you guys these because I'm obviously not gonna try this on, but this was a 3-piece set. It came with this little bralette. The bralette is looking a little small, I'm not gonna lie, but look at the detail. It's really cute. I love the little sparkle on there. Super cute. Oh, but actually, it might fit because it's got like a good stretch. And then it also came with a bra. I'm trying to remember what size I got. I got a 36 triple D. And just by looking at it, I could tell it's gonna fit. But look at the detail. It's literally so freaking cute. Please excuse my nails. But yeah, this is going to fit for sure. Probably should not have worn black for a better contrast. But I really love this. And then it came with a pair of undies. Here they are. And then obviously it comes with a little logo in the back. Very, very cute. Oh my gosh, have you guys ever washed these and then when you throw them in the dryer and you pull them out like right away? Like this type of, like when underwear or bras have this, it fucking burns so bad. But yeah, here's a little underwear. And then I got some pajamas. I will try on the PJs. I got 3 pajama sets. Well, like 1 pajama set, a lounge set, and then like a onesie. You guys will see. So I just start off by showing you guys. Here is the top, the bottoms. Super cute. And I will try this on. Okay, I love it. It's so soft. If you guys haven't bought from her, like I definitely recommend it. This is actually see-through, but obviously I have a bra on. And then here, this is like a little funny. Like I feel like it looks, but it's really cute though. It's really cute. And this is just like, it's such a cute pajama set. Like, good morning, I'm gonna have my cup of tea. And like, I could chill in this for like an hour or 2. Okay, so for this one, I probably could have gotten the top a little bit bigger, but I didn't. So this is like the lounge set that I was telling you guys about. Super comfortable. Again, too, it's got like their little logo right here as well. Sorry, I'm just trying to show you guys really fast because I'm like busting out of this. I would comfortably wear this around my house. If we go somewhere in the hotel room, but like not out. Like I wouldn't be comfortable like sitting out in the balcony of like a hotel or anything like that. But other than that, it's very cute. Okay, this is a onesie and it's like way too big. And I'm somebody who like, if I buy something, I don't waste my time returning it or exchanging it. And I hate that about myself. But with this one, I think I am, because if not, it's just gonna sit there. Unless like, look how big this is. And it's just like so big. Look at that. It's like doing nothing. But yeah, it's too big. It's too long in the arms. I'm gonna look at how the return works because I don't think I see like a return label. I just want to exchange it for something smaller. It's so big. Like, but one thing I will say, the material, perfect. This is the end of today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you guys love these items. I really love them all. Literally, the material was so nice. Like I can't get over how nice the material was. The only thing was like this little bralette. And like I said, I'm gonna check out like their return exchange policy. But everything was amazing. I loved it all. If you guys have shopped there, let me know what you think. Do you guys like it? Do you guys love it? I loved it. Yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.